If a guest is looking at Alaska, what are the differences? There's so many different tours.
We do have several different itineraries in Alaska. One of the main differences, some of them start in the United States and end in the United States. Some of them start in British Columbia and end in British Columbia. Some of them start in the United States and then end in British Columbia. So a lot of our guests like the safety and security of being able to start in the United States and end in the United States so that they have assistance crossing the border at all times. Other guests would prefer to start in the United States and get that first border crossing under their belt, and then they cross the border several times while they're on one of our Alaska caravans. So they get to be an old hat at it, and they're glad to end the tour in British Columbia so they can spend some more time exploring. One of the other things that people like to ask about on our Alaska tours is the top of the world highway. Some people really want to do it, and some people really do not want to do it. So we have a couple of different itineraries that do not include the top of the world highway. So if that's something that's important to you, you want to make sure you speak with your travel representative who's helping you so that you get on the right tour for you. We also have a 62-day Alaska tour that is a Your Way tour. It's a little bit different from all of our other tours because it's a Your Way. We book all of the campsites, and you still have a wagon master and a tail gunner, but you are free to book your own activities in each of the locations. So if fishing is your thing and you want to fish at every spot, then you can do that. If hiking is your thing, you can go out and hike or mountain bike or whatever you want to do. So it's really for a more active lifestyle. If you're really interested in seeing Alaska in more depth, you can do all of the things that are on your list and not just the things that are on our list. Visit fantasyrvtours.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information.